Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this channel where we talk about day trading futures. If you've been following the channel recently, you know that I started a micro futures account, which is the symbol here in front of the ES. Started this account with $1,200 on the 13th of April, so a week and a day. Started with $1,200. We're now sitting at $8,500, and we made $2,083 profit on the day. So let's go ahead and get into the performance as I've been doing in the other videos. Here you can see today win percentage is 90.5% win rate, almost a 10% loss rate there. Basically cut my losers at break even today, which is why you see the largest one being $5. It was 4 lots, so no biggie. Largest winning trade, average winning trade, $56. This is pretty standard for me. Still, if you watched last week's recap, I was sitting around like $45 or so. Time of day and overall P&L. So this is pretty standard stuff. The big thing to note is average time in trades and the total P&L of $2,087. So let's get into the actual trades today. Pretty good day of trading. Didn't really incur any drawdown or anything like that today, so feeling good. I took a small short scalp right before the open, and then on the open, I shorted the spike up into the open, and then longed the accumulation into the pop. So basically, 2 big trades for the day, 2 and done. Made $1,000 on each one basically, and yeah. Again, very simple day on the trading front. This was an hour into the session, and was going to call it there, but then just saw this line up perfectly with the nice W bottom here, and I was going to stick through it and stay in the trade. And yeah, market's still going to be open for a little bit here, so we're done nice and early again. The account's up 600%, 600 and some change. One thing to note that was interesting about today, while I was shorting this, the NASDAQ was just plummeting. So there was some correlation to where the NASDAQ was leading the way today. Pretty much all day it was leading the way. So on these pumps that I was looking at here, it was ripping way higher than the ES, helping me realize that I could shoot out a little farther. My initial target was 49 on this trade, which got close right here, and then we just like tanked, and I got scared, so I sold off on the pullback. That obviously hit targets, but no biggie. Still doing well on the day. But yeah, the NASDAQ was the big mover today. I've not been trading it. Like I said, this is an MES/NO only account right now. So MES only account. But yeah, I hope you can figure out some of the stuff that I'm doing here, shorting into the open, and longing the accumulation period honestly, longing the accumulation period around midday seems to be the play right now with volatility the way it is. There's no big crazy V-bottoms, but even with a V-bottom, you can probably figure out your strategy to incorporate that, but longing the accumulation zones or shorting the accumulation zones like we had yesterday is the move lately, and those are midday trades. So something to keep an eye out for as you are moving along. If you enjoy these videos, go ahead and like, subscribe, all that jazz. Check out my other videos. Every video I try and drop a little bit of trade knowledge and hopefully help you out in your account out as well. One of the main reasons I'm doing this is to show that the average person can get in and start from basically a $0 account using Top Step, which is linked down below for 20% off. Someone can get in, use Top Step, only put in like $100 of their own money, profit off of that, withdraw it, and then fund their own account, which is the exact same steps that I took for this one. And now that $0 has turned into $8,500. So feeling good and happy. I will see you all in the next video. Peace.